Hi, I'm Marie from DocSense. Today, we're going to explain how to automate and use high availability printing to enable users to print no matter what happens, even if the servers are unavailable. In this case, they will automatically switch to direct printing. This is a configuration mode of the Watchdoc print client for Windows, available from version 6.1 of Watchdoc. Let's start with the configuration. First, you need to activate and configure inter-server printing via the Watchdoc admin area in the Advanced Configuration tab, then System Configuration. Make sure you tick the inter-server printing box. In the Storage subcategory, select your database used to store the print queue configuration file. In the Connection subcategory, you need to select a SQL database and configure it. This time, in the Windows Client Settings tab, all you need to do is tick the Direct Print box. Now go to your Watchdoc Print Client desktop application, also known as WPC. At the top right of the window, you'll see a small bubble. Its color indicates the status of the print servers or their configuration. If it is gray, this means that the WPC is being installed and the connection has never been initiated. If it is black, it means that the Windows client cannot find any server configured for this location. This may be due to a problem with the choice of location or configuration. If the bubble is red, all the configured servers are down. An orange bubble indicates that at least one of the configured servers is down. A green bubble means that all the configured servers are operational. When the servers are down and there is a document in your print queue, you will receive a Windows notification. Clicking on it will take you directly to a pop-up window in the Watchdoc print client telling you that the print servers are down. You can then choose to wait for the servers to start working again or retrieve your document by direct printing. If you choose the second option, printing is not secure and the document is released without authentication. You can choose between different multifunction printers that you may have used in the past. Once you've selected your printer, all you have to do is pick up your document. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, don't hesitate to subscribe. And for more information, visit our documentation site, doc.docsense.com.